Hello and welcome to Cornwall. My name's Andy Paramore, this is Andy's Cornish Creations, and here's another compilation of photos sent in by my YouTube friends for you to have a look at. Here's the first one. It's from Steve and it's a great little ship in a bottle. Another one from Steve doing an offset bird from a video that I did a short while ago. Here's some work from Norma Jean, some great resin and pine cones and all different stuff in there, and some really attractive colours in there. Oh, that grain in that wood's lovely. And some great little characters there. I recognise some of those from mine. This is Mick, a fantastic bumblebee. I thought this was pictures of my own. It's a really good likeness, and he's done a great job there. And also a fantastic little Scottish Norseman. Here's some work by Andreas. Some fantastic beadwork, and Dave, he's been busy. A lot of little figures that he's been carving, whittling. They're great work. And Bob, fantastic little dog there, and I recognise the chicken from one of my videos. That's great stuff. Here's Mal. A lovely pendant, and some amazing pens and bowls. Some of the green wood and really interesting, and some more lovely pens there again. Down in New Zealand, do seem to get some really interesting looking wood. And I like that one. That one's done from the sphere. Here's Don with a really cute little mouse and a checkerboard, I think it is. And that's a lovely pen. Oh, that's a pool cue pen with some burr work on it. Here's some work from Steve. A bumblebee. That's a really nice one. And oh crikey, yes, these these are amazing. He's sort of taking it to a whole new level with clear wings and the honeycomb base, and 3 of them all together. That's amazing. Well, thanks again for everybody that sent photographs in. I really do enjoy seeing them, and especially if it's something that's been inspired from one of my videos. It's always nice to see. So thanks to you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.